From the home office at Jones College, it's time for the top 10 most outrageous course review comments. So we're coming to the end of the semester when you get to tell us what you thought of the class. Now, I've read a lot of course review comments in my days, and most of them are reasonable, some of them are not so reasonable, and some of them are outrageous. So here we go. Number 10. I didn't know polyester came in so many colors. So when I was an undergraduate, there was a professor named Dr. Constam who would come to the dining halls and eat with us and tell us about life and everything. And he always wore a suit, but it wasn't always the nicest suit. And he told me that somebody wrote that on his course review comments. And of all the wisdom he imparted, that's the only thing I remember. Number 9. I felt completely unsupported in this class. I don't know, we put out as many resources as we can, but I guess it's not enough for everyone. Number 8. Oh, redacted, it must have been personal. Number 7. I pay too much tuition to be held responsible for my actions. I might be paraphrasing a bit, but that's pretty much how I interpreted that one. Number 6. Hefner didn't clearly explain a single concept the entire semester. Oh, I hope that's not true, but maybe there was one bad semester there. Number 5. My tutor has a physics degree and still has trouble with the suggested problems. All right, I could go for the cheap shot, obviously, get a new tutor, but I won't say that because here's the deal. You can have a PhD in physics. You can know very specialized knowledge in a few areas of physics. It doesn't mean you can do all 1,600 problems in an intro physics book, because the suggested problems are just the hard problems from the intro physics book. And sure, I would completely believe that someone, even with a physics degree, would have trouble with those a little bit. And that's when you're learning, when you're doing those hard problems. So I was very excited to see that one. It's actually not outrageous. It's completely reasonable, but I needed it for the list. Number 4. This class has the quality of a pyramid scheme online tutoring service. So, okay, if you don't like the quality, that's fine, but I don't think you understand what a pyramid scheme is because it doesn't go with a tutoring service. Anyway. Number 3. Don't expect an A unless you truly understand every bit of the material. Yeah. Number 2. It would be a lot more convenient if the lab questions were in a section at the end of the manual. This is actually from my days of TAing lab many years ago in the mid-90s. And someone wrote that because they didn't want to have to read the manual. It's like, you have to read the manual to look for the questions. Just give me the questions so I can get out of here. And number 1... most outrageous course review comment is, the formula for calculating my grade is far too confusing.